Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. It's been a few days. Still working on the Brompton, of course. Today's video is gonna be on how to finally remove that hinge pin. I've successfully removed the bracket just there. Once I received the bracket, the bottom bracket. It's called the park tool, the bracket tool. But for this lovely segment, basically, if I show you guys, I've got one of these screws here. I don't know how clear that is, but basically that came out of that area there. And on this side then, I've got an Allen key, number 4 in there. And basically, last time we were trying to do this, yeah, see the back of that screw is a number 4 Allen key. Basically, when we're trying to do it before, there's a pin in there in this bit here, in this area here, and this hinge pin, and we're trying to get out, but that hinge pin has 2 bushings, and so those bushings prevent you from opening one side or the other, because now if I'm not holding this side down and I'm just going to try to open it with this side Allen key, that other side's going to spin. So guys, what we needed to do was find a screw and a nut that was exactly the same as our other screw there, right? So just a basic machine screw, I guess. And what we needed to do was put that nut on there. That way, then we can put a one washer there, and then a larger washer for the front. So now what we can do is we can get it in the let me just find an optimal tool here for this nut here. I believe may have found one, or may not. So that's a 12. So what we need is an 11, maybe a 10. Certainly an 11. Or it may be a 7/6, guys. Actually 7/16. So what we're gonna do now is attempt to, and guys, I'm sorry about the I'm so very sorry about the St. Patrick's Day. I know it's after St. Patrick's Day, but that's what I happen to be wearing today, because they turned out to be great little pajamas. Okay, so now we got that in a little bit. And on the other side, guys, see, there's that nut there. So now what we need to do is tighten this nut only, so it provides a good strong hold for that internal pin and bushing not to spin while we do that. So that's what we're going to try to attempt to do, guys. Okay. Okay. There we are. So we're going to tighten it down pretty good. All right. And it came out. So another major fail, guys. Let's have a look. Yeah, I think we need to get that in there first. a little bit. Okay. A little bit deeper than I initially put it in. Okay. So now we should nope. Okay. Okay. Nope. It is not coming out, guys. It is not coming out at all. So So I found a T-bar Allen key. I hope that's going to be 3.5. I need a 4. Oh. Okay, guys, what's in there? So that must be a 3.5. Okay. Okay, that's a no-go, guys. We have to go back to the drawing board then. So yet another fail, this time on the bottom hinge pin of the Brompton. So back to the drawing board. Thank you for tuning in. Hasta la ciao ciao. Bye for now. Over and out from the concrete garage of Chicago.